You're doing good, babe. Can you turn around?
No.
Try to turn around.
A car coming. It's going faster.
Oh, are you okay? Are you okay?
Yeah. I don't have my knees.
Okay.
Because I got these on.
Yeah.
Because these are glasses, but I can't see my knees.
They're called knee pads.
Yeah, knee pads. To walk on my knee pads.
Turn around and come back this way.
Mom, is the car coming this
No,
way?
I want to videotape you.
Why?
I want to show Nana.
Where?
Show Nana the videotape of you skating.
Oh, on church?
You're doing good. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.